got the viral mystery dumplings, and they're the seashell ones. So let's see which one we're gonna get. I'm gonna open mine first. I'm hoping for the orange, cyan, yellow, or the seashell one. I just don't want the pink or purple ones. All right, so I got it ready to open. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ooh.
What, is that cyan?
Oh, it's cyan.
Oh, look how cute that
Oh
is.
my
Show the face.
God, this is nice.
Show the, oh, how cute that is.
Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, it's pink.
How cute is that?
That's
Oh,
cute.
These are squishy.
Now
Yeah,
my
there's
turn.
water in them.
My turn. Let's open this. Oh,
Same?
some color. Yay!
Twins!
Yay! Oh, these are very nice. Yeah, these feel super nice. I love it. So smells really rubbery.
Yeah, kind of a steep.
All right. So I got this one. It's very cool. It's very. I got this one.
They look
We
more
both got the
blue
same.
on camera, but they look green. More green in person.
And she got this one. She got the only different one.
That's cool that we
Yay!
get the same one.
This is so nice. Thank you for watching, and see you later.